USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. All these options are for you. I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? Subscribe, please like, share the video after watching it. If you like it after watching it, then do all that. Below the video, you will find some links. You can join the free Telegram. Okay, so join the free Telegram. It's all free. If you want some free signals every now and then, do it. Okay. And the brokers in the pro firm, check out this link. If you want to sign up, just go and sign up. Start a demo account to begin with, and then see how it works out for you. Okay, you can go demo first before going live, right? So go sign up with these brokers and let's get back to USDCAD. Where are we here? We are in the daily chart. So let's start with the top-down approach with weekly chart. Weekly, I had been telling since this candle, which was on 7th of April. Okay, so since 14th of April, I had been telling that we have to go for this low right here. Okay, but then we came here slow, then we took a pullback. Then now we again going down. So USDCAD is going very slowly towards this previous low, which is at 35164. Okay, so I think we have the potential to go down. Okay, but weekly is too far, so let's go back to daily. What do we have in daily? We have a good news. Okay, good news, guys, good news. Low, that means a new low is created. Wow, all the previous lows in daily are broken. This is the new low which we have, which means that it's time for the pullback in daily. Okay, so use your fib levels in the coming days. From here till here, we will take a pullback. After the pullback, we have the chance to go down further. I'm expecting to go down another maybe 120 pips. Easily, yeah. Easily, I think in daily, we have the potential to go down 120 plus pips, but that's not going to happen tomorrow. No, I'm talking about that this will take a pullback here in daily, then wait for the confirmation this red candle and then go down. Okay, but if you don't want to trade in daily, let's go back to 4-hour chart for you. In 4-hour, we have this hammer. Okay, so we have the rejection long wick, you see. So when the market opens, USDCAD will try to pull back. This is a long wick hammer. Okay, so we had been going down on Fridays. In 4-hour, absolutely, you can see we will be taking a pullback. So Monday is US market closed. The GBP is closed as well. So we have to keep an eye what happens on Monday. But you are not supposed to enter sell into USDCAD before the pullback anyway. So come to 4-hour, use your fib levels, wait for the pullback, then confirmation red candle, and then go down. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join the Telegram, check out these links. I'll see you in the next video. Don't make me speak too much. I'll see you in the next video.